Delhi schools are closed but learning will continue, says Sisodia and explains how. Telangana private school teachers hold demo seeking wages, government help. Plea in Supreme Court seeks waiver or maximum relief in school fees for period of COVID-19 lockdown. HRD Minister releases NCERT alternative academic calendar for primary stage. Karnataka 10th exam 2020. Students screened before SSLC exam in Kalaburgi. No work and pay. Drivers and cleaners of private school buses approached Labour Union. Himachal Pradesh HPSOS Class 10-8 results declared. How to check? Decision on NEET JEE main exams tomorrow. HRD Minister. Online education might create digital divide. Sisodia. Rajasthan parents want fee waiver during lockdown. Maharashtra's 80 KT rule delay has promotion formula in universities in limbo. Jharkhand unveils SOPs for schools reopening. Preparedness amid pandemic. Good evening and a warm welcome. You're watching Education News Network, where you get to watch the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Chanvi reporting from ENN, and the daily stories are: explaining the method to be followed for teaching, the Education Minister said the teachers will reach out to the students through WhatsApp or regular phone calls and will give them the light assessment and take regular feedback. Teachers working in private schools are facing hardship due to non-functioning of schools and non-payment of salaries since the coronavirus-induced lockdown began, the Telangana private teachers said on Thursday. A plea has been filed in the Supreme Court seeking a direction to the centre and the states to take decision regarding waiver or providing uniform maximum relief in school fee for the period of COVID-19 induced nationwide lockdown in the country. Union Human Resource Development Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank on Thursday released an 8-week alternative academic calendar developed by NCERT for classes 1 to 5. The alternative calendar guides teachers on how to use various technological social media tools to educate students while they are at home. Karnataka 10th exam 2020. Amidst the coronavirus pandemic, Class 10 students on Thursday reached their examination center in Karnataka's Galburgi to take their secondary school leaving certificate examination. Students underwent thermal screening before they were allowed to enter the exam hall. Following the nationwide lockdown due to the COVID-19 pandemic, the schools were closed and new academic session is now being held through online classes, resulting in the drivers, cleaners becoming jobless with severe financial distress. HPSOS Class 10-8 results 2020. A total of 32.07% students cleared the examination successfully this year. The students can check the results through the website hpbose.org. NEET JEE Main 2020 exam date update. Our priority is the safety of the students who will be taking the examination. This committee is to submit its recommendations to the HRD Minister by tomorrow, after which a final announcement will be made. Arresting that online education might create a digital divide. Delhi Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia on Thursday emphasized on the relevance of one-to-one learning and learning with human feel. The government had last week announced that all the schools in the national capital, both public and private, will remain closed till July 31. Members of all Rajasthan private school parents forum submitted a memorandum to School Education Minister Govind Singh Dotsra on Wednesday. Their demands include final decision on school fees waiver during the lockdown period, regulation of online classes. With a delay in taking a decision on fate of the students with 80 KTs, state university are unable to come out with their own formula for promoting final year students. To grade students on the basis of their previous performance, university will have to take into account their scores in subject where they have 80 KTs. Hand wash, sanitization, masks and social distancing will be strict checked for students, teachers and midday meal cooks in a bid to fight COVID-19 pandemic after schools reopen in Jharkhand. We should wrap up for the news today. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, log on to our website www.dnn.com. Do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Signing off, Jahnavi.